Hello guys, my name is Sergey Maryukhna. Now I will show you how with the Smart Trade Coin software is the basic version we can do arbitrage trading and make great money. We see that we have a spread on the icon and Bitcoin. We find it, we find. This pair is on the Binance Hobby exchanges. Now in order to earn, go to the trading section. Here we choose Exchange Hobby. On the Hobby exchange, we sell the icon, choose a pair. Here we sell. We need to sell 100% on the coin. Here we look at the price that suits us, 87.38, and then he write 87.38 and make a sell. Now you need to make up to 4 digits after the decimal point, but I round up to 188 coins. We sell. Then we look here and see that there are not there, but there is a Bitcoin. After that we go to the Binance exchange. Choose a coin. And buy 188 coins. Thus, we have now earned 21% of our deposit. In order to continue to earn such deals, we can do a lot throughout the day. But now, using the example on one day, I show it how we do in every day.